Let's see. Wait. Hit on the ground. Try this trick. And spin it here. Your head will collapse. There's nothing on you can ask yourself. Where is my mind? Live, I should be live now. Yay, yes, I'm live. Those thumbnails are just horrible. How did we end up here? What is this? Uh, Chat. Metro scale is weird. Let me try something more light. Like, like this. Scaling everything by half a pixel, because this exists somehow. Top chat, I want live chat. Test. So, be right back. No, can't write stuff. No, no, no. No. Wait. Why it's white? I don't like this white beam. Is there a way to change this? What happened last time? Like, nope. Okay. Is there like, can you just put music studio? Does it work? No. Live. Where is my live? That's my live stream. Let's close this. Open here. Pop out chat. Wait. Close Change here, change this. See? Okay, cool. Top chat, you know I want live chat, interact, live chat. Yes. Okay, cool. I think we have it. I think we have it. We have it. Change it here. Pop out chat. Maybe put it here. Okay, it's fine. I can make the chat. And before we start, okay, the scale is better. I think I prefer 1.5. Wait. Okay, yeah, the map boundaries are also they also changed. So here in visual, not visual. Where is my metro map? Metro map. Let's review the nav mesh. Same thing here. It's okay. Is there a way to enable Godot global nav mesh? Bake navigation. Yeah, it's quite heavy, no? Unable to create from provided geometry. Unable to create valid navigation mesh. Why? Enable what? Why? Why it's breaking? This worked. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's expand. Let's expand. Let's expand. Let's expand. Let's expand. No, it's broken. Let's go back. So something here breaks my geometry. Why? Let's expand from here. No, it's broken. A bit. Okay, here. It's broken. Dude! Invalid tile set atlas. So you're telling me that I having oh, maybe it's because of the minimap, no? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I don't think we use this anyway. Whispering. I don't use this layer anywhere apparently. Let's delete this layer. Okay, we have a bunch of random stuff that is missing. We just delete them. But I don't think this is a problem. Let's see, maybe. Yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Okay. Save this. Da da da. Da da da. Okay, cool. Back to reality. Snap back to reality. Okay, turn on the grid. It's not the missing tiles. Dude. Why? What's happening here? Cell size 32. Border size whatever 4. Agent radius I think it's okay. Meshes. Mesh instance static colliders. Let's just change this. Let's see if we can get something out of it. No, it's something around here breaks my geometry. Here it's fine. See? We increase. Okay. Okay. Let's increase. Let's increase. Let's increase. It's broken. Unable to create a valid navigation polygon. Sampling. Triangulate. It's breaking. It's broken. Invalid tile map atlas source. Why? Why is invalid? And where in the map it doesn't do anything. It's fine. So here. Here. Visual. Maybe it's the scaling that broke everything. Yeah, I think it is, honestly. But we should have an invalid tile map somewhere. Decorations, not decorations. Walls. Construction, sand, ground, minimap. I don't know. So let's go. Let's try again. What I really want to fix is this. I came here to fix one problem. My map boundaries. So left. Maybe that's too far. I'll change this snap. Down here, somewhere around here. So 400. 100. Right is. Wow. What if I add more polygons? For some reason now this works. And if I do this, it works. Wow. It's broken. Let's add more polygons. Still broken. Maybe something like this is breaking. See? No, it's not. That's not it. No, it's not. Dude. Close this. Open again. There's something around here that's breaking my geometry. I don't know exactly what is breaking. But I know it's breaking. Here it's fine. Now it's broke. It's broken. Hi. So let's try changing here to try this. Let's go back. Why does it say no tile atlas source? No tile atlas source. There's an error. But this means there must be something going on. First, I want to fix this. Put it here. It's horrible. It's fine. Oh, that's horrible. That's just don't worry. I initially my idea is just to test the bots, and I want my navigation map working. And I don't know why it's broken. Ground. The missing bits are not in the ground.
Walls. It's not a wall. Decorations. I don't see any missing tile map atlas here. Let's see if we find this in the code. We do. We do. What is it? That's in another map, not here. Like somewhere else. I godot. Oh, here. Here, I found something. This might be it. Move. Bake. Unable to. Is there a troubleshooting for this? Oh, it's like, yeah, fuck you, you can't. You can't do this. Yeah, it's working. Let's move more. It's broken. Maybe here? Maybe this is breaking my game? Is this part here? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I'm noticing how all of the intersections are not working anymore. Okay, so copy this. Come here. Somewhere else. Maybe. Okay. Consider baking with a higher cell size. Not stop, let live chat. What? Higher cell size 64. Bake. Consider lowering the navigation cell scale in project settings. Cell scale. Lowering. Consider baking with a higher cell size. Scale? What? Happens? Let's see. It's breaking. Why, Godot? Why you are like this? Why, Godot? Why? If I double the scale, will it be fine? Is it because I'm like snapping into half pixels? Or something similar to this? If we... Ah! I will never understand Godot. Never, 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 never. Okay. Dimetro. Why is playing sad Minecraft music here? I want to know copyright drum and bass DNB. 2 hours of liquid drum and bass. Yeah. That's it. This looks okay. Maybe this was breaking. I don't know. It's still not looking correct. This is looking really bad, honestly. Let me increase the margin, or is the border size, to 8 pixels. Bake again. Didn't change anything, cool. Maybe change it to here. Nope. Okay. Let's just play and start our original plan here. Okay, I need to fix the spawn points. Now I feel that I'm too small now. But like if I decrease here, the bake doesn't work, right? It does work. So let's go back to my original plan. No, there is a specific value that breaks my game for some reason. 1.6. Let's see. Oh, no. See? Now you're fine. Let's move all of the spawn points. Why I didn't make those 2D nodes, I will never know. Change type in node. This is going to be a node 2D. CT spawn points from here. Change type, node 2D. RT, oh yeah. RT spawn points is around here, it's okay. Deathmatch, whatever, I'm not using deathmatch now. Change type, sandbox, and sandbox should be around here. Nice. So if we now we are starting the original idea 23 minutes later. So okay, so first I want to enable visible collision shapes. I really hope scaling didn't broke all of the collision shapes. It usually breaks collision shapes. Okay, cool. Let's see, spawn scav. That's our guy over there. Let's give him a weapon and let's hide. He's looking at us. You lose sight soon. Please lose your sight. I'm waiting for you. Oh, he snapped to me for some reason. Why you're still snapped to me? You have clear of sight. You have a clear line of sight. Really? So here I will bang myself. What? Why do you have a clear line of sight? You don't have a clear line of sight. You can't shoot. No, he don't have a clear line of sight. For some reason, why he's still tracking me? He should not be tracking me behind. Okay, first of all, first and most important of all of this, we go to our scav composition. There is a problem here where the bots are snapping into our players, and we kind of don't want this. We want something more wobbly. So here I'm at no look at throw target position, look at throw target position, look at throw target look at behavior composer, scav position, current look direction, scav combat, look at no, maybe this guy here, update looking, yes, that's it, update looking, and I'm gonna add like a new factor. It's gonna be bot precision radius. What does this mean? This means that the bot will aim like 16 pixels closer or further from the target. So this is like quite precise, considering that our game is more or less the scale. So let's see here, and we current look direction. So scav position plus bot precision radius, but this we will be running a map random or just rand f range minus bot precision and bot precision. So vector and float for operation, because look at apparently is a float, makes sense. So our scav position, let's break down the factors. Let's do the following. Scav position y. There's this component does not exist in Godot. This. Cool. Now we need to do a rand f range and rand f range minus bot precision and bot precision. Cool. We broke down this. Now our bots should be more I would not say human, but easier to deal with. Because these bots were being, look at this. They somehow look at us, see? They're always like da 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 da, but they have like the turn speed. Let's see how to go. Maybe I should give him like a different weapon. Okay. Yeah, he needs a different weapon. Instead of this, I'm gonna mix this two. So let's go back here. Our bots look like they have current look direction, lerp desired direction. This will be direction is a normalized vector. Yes, it's a normalized vector. So scav position here. I will just add vector 2 plus rand f range bot precision radius again, and no, autocomplete does not like me. Let's copy this. Why is not out formatting? It should be out formatting. I don't know why it's not. Let's see how the bot acts. It's still too much wobbliness. Look, let's see. Please, take your weapon. Nah. That's not it. That's not what we want. Turn speed, maybe instead of adding here, I will do this on fire. Oi, let me close my telegram. Oi. Maybe we need like some normalized direction. So first of all, let's just run the game, keep it running. Let's not close this. And I end this. Okay, let's add a print here. Scap position. I'm doing like glow position plus somewhere in the range of this glow position. What if I tone this down a bit? Maybe instead of using random, we could include a noise, so the bot will be something around like this, you know? First, let's just, yeah, this is just being random. I don't think a random distribution is good for this. Is someone in chat? No. It's fine. Coffee. And water. Days everything is haunted. Minecraft, Minecraft. Back. Hmm. Okay. Maybe we should have a global noise no, global noise function instead of having like one noise per component. Make it easier to deal with this. But I don't like how globals work in Godot. Like we could create a noise. Oh, there is an engine noise. Amazing noise dot. No. Let's see how noise works. Godot noise box. Noise. A default get seamless image implementation for flavor that don't progress seamless noise. The function requires larger image for get image method to reverse the quadrants of image. Then use this description. Inheriting of the class can be optionally overridden this function. Why image? Here, that's what I want. Get noise 2D. So we can these will return like some get noise from vector. Get okay, cool. So let's spawn a bot. And you can have here behind me the logs. See, the bot's crazy. I mean, the bot's trying to flee from me. So we do the following. Bot behavior composer. Where I was. Bot precision. I deleted, right? Update looking at this is what we want to go. Okay, so if we print our instead of doing a random, I'm gonna do a noise dot get noise, and then I'm gonna set cinemascape position. I will have to remove this extra factor here. So let's see. Cannot call non-static function. Noise is non-static. What do you mean noise is non-static? I don't want to do this var noise equals noise. Oh no, this don't make any sense. I don't. This is just no. Noise cannot be constructed. It's abstract. Right, yeah, it's, noise is abstract, but I can't do this. Cannot call non-static function from the class. Make an instance. And we have examples here. Inherited by fast noise light. I see, so we could use how do I use noise? Fast noise light type simplex. Look at this. I really don't want to do this. This looks bad, you know. No, I don't like. I don't want to have one noise per character since this is global. It's like this is the definition of static classes. It's like having a map for each component. Godot Dumby. Okay. So in our noise, I'm gonna do dot get noise 2D. I'm gonna print this and see what we have. Get noise to a new value. Yeah, I know. See, that's why I don't want one noise instance per. This should be just a global. This is static. Come on. Spawn scav. See? We are printing the noise value over there. And this is changing depending on this character position. So that's not what we want. We want our oi. Oi. Yeah, now we have a noise based on where am I here, see? And it's smoothing, because it's a noise. Cool. Do we have a smooth factor? Noise. Frequency controls smoothness, thank you. I'm gonna do like this, okay, it's fine. We can tweak this value later. And instead... update, looking at desired position, turn speed. Where do I use my current character? Current target. Current target. Desired position. So it's my desired position. Yeah. Update looking. Current look direction is like my current look direction plus desired direction. That is my desired position. Minus where am I, right? I'm getting the vector to that place. So I'm just... Okay, I see. This is normalized. So we can do the following instead. My desired position. We don't need this. We don't need to get like a navigation next path here. Really, I think this is just... Ah, that's why. Okay, no, this makes sense, So this is when we are navigating. And we have a variable called turn speed. We don't need this. Come on, turn speed. Yeah, it's a global. Why do we have aim turn speed? Dude. Turn speed. This is aim turn speed. We do a linear interpolation on this. Desired direction. Okay, so here in our desired direction, current look direction. Why do I feel this is wrong? Desired position. We use our desired position. Okay. This we want a vector 2. We want a random, not here. We want a random range in our noise. No, we don't need a random range. We just use our noise dot. Where is my print? It's missing. Noise dot get noise to dv, and we send our current target low position times what precision. No, that's wrong again. And on my, but this could be it's fine. I think this works. Let's print this. This is print desired position. Desired position. Okay, cool. So as I move, I'm wondering. This will get us something around from 0 to 1, right? So we do need to multiply this by something like what precision factor, maybe. Factor. being 0, super precise, and like I don't know, 5 something not much precise. Let's use 10. Block precision does not use anywhere. Let's go back to our noise here. Cool. So we do this times bot precision factor, and this times bot precision factor. Cool. This should be okay. Okay, it's more or less what we want. More or less, not exactly, but I feel that. Come grab a weapon, bot. Come here. Come here. Come grab your weapon. You went really far. Let's see. I should just give him like a. It is somehow working. The bots are not. Aye! Okay, I think it's okay. But I don't know how needed is my function. Where are you? Come here, come here. Dude. Those bots are wild. So instead of doing this, I don't like this current approach. I really don't like this, so remove this noise. Bot precision factor, we still need this. It's fine. Update, looking. Maybe we don't move our looking at here just when we fire, so we have like a small imprecision when firing. Maybe that's better. And why this is not working also? I know why it's not working. This is an RPC call. So every time I find this. Okay, okay. So we want to replace this. The full thing for we want to replace this for RPC calls. Are you kidding me, right? Let me read here. Looks fine. Yeah. Replace. Cool. We now have this network it for everyone. Scav collect. We don't know. I think we adjust this precision, this bot precision. First, let's clean this a bit. So bot behavior, composer, yes. Let's remove this bot precision from here. This will be part of the combat. And path desired here, we could. This is bad from a game design perspective, because what you want when designing a bot is to be consistent. But I'm gonna do this, so some bots will feel more interesting than others, and we don't want this. We want something like consistent, right? We don't want. Ideally, we can predict the bots. Thinking timer. Yeah, this is also not exactly good. And I don't know why I did this. So this will go from here to here. Now the bots can think faster. What else? What else? What else? We have If we are okay, yes, there is a problem currently that our bots can see us through smokes. But first, let's go bit by bit. Scav combat. This is the brain of one type of bot that is the scav. It tries to mimic players. So we want to export. We want here. We want precision. It's a radius in pixels for when firing. 0. We 0 means the bot is pinpoint precise, while 80 means there is a 8 pixel radius of imprecision. I think that's okay. And then we call it bot precision. Maybe the better word would be bot imprecision radius. Like, I think the name of this is not spread. There is a name for this in CSGO. I think spread. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, okay, cool. So I'm gonna set this as 8. So for now, okay, cool. We could add a nice slider, but we are not using Godot to configure this. Melee combat, throwing on site loss, doesn't matter, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. We want when fire. This fire here. Okay, so this fire, we are just firing, so that's not here where we want. Maybe. Let me think. We are using current target to aim at. So we could do like small precision changes here. It would work, I guess. So if we do something like do we have a bot input? I want to know looking at, looking to position updated. We just okay. We don't have a get looking at. Because we could do the following. We could look into position updated. Yeah, we don't know where we are looking at. So we have a var looking at. It's a vector too. And this type is a vector too. And here we will update it to current looking at equals location. I'm pretty sure that others in other places have this, like weapon back controller. Let's see if you have it here. You don't. I mean, we could get our weapon angle, right? But I don't think that's the proper way to deal with this. Current looking at. Here, looking position updated. I feel that our character have this, no? Yes, our character have this. We have a looking at factor in the character. Okay, so we don't need here. We don't need here. We don't need here. We could do our character dot looking at equals. We want like our. We want like a small variation here. So it's gonna be character looking at plus vector 2, yeah, normalized, like they're just, yeah, normalized. We want something like a do. But this will not properly generate what we want to guess. Angle. Does it return the angle? No. This is wrong. Okay. But I wanna test. This just happens when firing. Oh. Oi. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, this. Okay, this announcement is not correct. Cool. Damage indicator. Let's fix this. Hmm. Rich text label. I want to change this. I want just a text label. Rich text. That's it. This is not doing anything for us.